using a worsted weight yarn and a 6.5 crochet hook. The foundation chain begins with a slip knot on the hook. I hold the hook still, wrap the yarn over the hook, grab that like the hook was a claw, tug a little on the base I'm crocheting into to open the hatch, and easily slide the loop through that. Hold the working piece as close to the slip knot as possible. Bring the yarn over the top of your hook. Rotate the tip of the hook down so that it mimics the shape of the loop on the hook. This makes you pulling the yarn through easier. It's kind of like having a little claw and grabbing the yarn on the other side of the hook. When you pull down, it opens the door, and then you pull the yarn through that door that you just created. Each completed motion forms a single V. The most important factor in keeping the chain straight is to continuously adjust your grip every few stitches. The first row of chain stitches specified in a pattern is known as the foundation chain, and you'll often see that is stated like 60 plus 4 or 20 plus 2, depending on the height of whatever stitch they're going to have you use. Like if you're doing a single crochet, it'll be 1 chain. If you're doing a half double crochet, it'll be 2 chains, and so on. If you do decide to continue, and we'll be making this attractive little bookmark that is almost entirely made out of chain stitches. If you're ready to add even more to your repertoire, check out the full stitch dictionary and the full Crochet 101 course coming soon.